So what we've done is run this line that's already got its insulation and both. This little area right here is where we tore the two apart. They have a way to hold them together. So obviously they can't be the same together because they have one set back from the other. We went to the first 25-footer on the A, and you start these, you adjust them very slowly. Don't kink them. That's a bad thing to kink copper. Okay, so then you start them by hand until they're on there good. Do not try to start them with a pair of wrenches or something, because you could end up stripping it. That's bad too, really bad. So take the time to shape the pipe so that you can put that on by hand almost all the way. You can usually do it. Then you can tighten it up with a crescent wrench, or it's a 3/4 size, and this is 3/4, and I think this one's going to be like 1.25 inches. I haven't tried it, so we use crescent wrench. Put this on. Then I shaped it so that it would be up against the wall. We'll end up building a wall to hide it, wrap it up in, so bugs won't land on it and make nests on it, all that kind of stuff. And it will tend to blend in. But we still have 2 more runs. Both of those are 50 foot. And then we'll, I'm not showing you up there because I'm letting Drew do it, tightening it up. But it's not something that's impossible to do for somebody who doesn't have the experience. So that's why I'm telling you with quite comfort that you can do this yourself. Now, you can't get the freon. You don't have the gauges. So when you go to 50 foot or anything beyond 25 foot per run, you will have to have somebody add freon to it. 0.16 ounces per 1 foot past 25. Okay, it has in it the ability to deal with 25 feet per run. After that, you have to add freon, and we'll have to see how that all goes. I'll let you know as we go along. Right now, he's up in the attic getting sweaty just like me. See you in a bit.